What if you have a homeowner's claim? Well, what do? The first thing you need to do if there's ever a claim on your house is make sure that the damage that has occurred is done occurring, that it stops. And we use the word mitigation, mitigate that risk. So if water is coming in the ceiling, make sure you do whatever you can to maybe get up there and put a tarp on it. If you can't, immediately call someone in a restoration or mitigation company who can come out and make sure that the damage that's occurred is stopped and that no more damage will occur. After you've done that, then call your agent. Call your agent, they can help walk you through that process. And if you need someone, if you don't know a restoration or a mitigation company, go to our website or give us a call. We have several that we recommend in different areas to make sure that as soon as that claim happens, we want to stop any further damage. Claims are not fun, but when claims keep getting bigger and bigger, they're even a whole lot less fun for you. So make sure the claim is stopped as much as possible. Call a mitigation company if you can't do it by yourself, and then call your agent, and they'll help guide you through the claims process from there to get it settled and get you put back as quick and as soon as possible.